Hi, Mike and or Max. My name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. These three things will optimize your website for Google. They will enhance your platform and convert more customers, and they will get more traffic to your website. So all of this information is free. You can end up doing it yourself if you want to. The point of this video is to give you some information to help make the best decision for your company and enable you to do it yourself if you want to go that route. Hopefully, by the end of this video, you'll decide that you want to hear more of what I have to offer your business and help scaling it. Um, if you like, we can schedule a short phone call and see if I can actually help your business. So the three things we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. But first, we're going to go over what happens 95% of the time when people are looking for a service, they're going to search roofing in Overland Park, Kansas. I see you're located in Shawnee, but Overland Park is one of your service areas, so we're just going to go ahead and go with this. Um, so the first thing that pops up are the Google ads. These are the Google guaranteed ads, the regular Google ads, and then the Google My Business page. 30% of your business should be coming from the GMB, and the remaining 70% should be coming from your website or the organic listings. A lot of people have ad blockers on, so whenever you are running Google Ads, you're not reaching the full extent of who is looking for roofing in your area. All right. So first thing is content. That is everything that you see on your website. It's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. Um, so what Google does is 24/7. They have these web bots and they crawl every single website on the internet. They gather information and then they use that information to determine where to rank your website on the search engine result page. Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your website, and they want your keywords to be sprinkled throughout the information so that it flows, it makes sense, and you're not trying to keyword stuff and just add as much information as you can. Um, so I noticed that. The next thing we're going to talk about is citations. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You can get these on Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages. Just make a listing, and Google will find that information and then use it to rank you on the GMB. They don't just use citations; they use the citations, all of your photos, if your GMB is filled all the way out, um, and your reviews, the quality, and if there are any comments. But citations will really get you up there if you're lacking in the other things. You do not want to beat 435 roofing. You don't want to stop at how many they have. You want to beat them by at least 50 or 100 citations to really dominate them in the GMB. The next thing is backlinks. You can think of it as a popularity contest on Google. It's more of a voting system. So the more votes you have, the more power and authority your website has. And the more of that means more eyes, and that means more customers on your website. All right, so it looks like Google is only finding one keyword and you're getting 2 domains and 4 backlinks. So it's a low power and a low trust rating. Um, Honestly, without content, don't even bother doing the backlinks because the backlinks will get eyes on your website, but Google will have no information that they can use to rank your website with the backlinks that you have. So, content first, then backlinks. I'm going to compare you to the rest of the competition at Overland Park, at least the top three. So we're going to do the top two in the organics, and then we're going to look at 435, who has the top holding in the GMB. I'm showing you all of this so that you can understand that ranking number one on Google is very, very, very reachable. All right. So this one, there is not a lot of information up here. So they have a high power and a high trust rating. They have 99 keywords on their website. It may not be on this page. They should have some links somewhere else. I don't know where all their information is. But they do have very high quality backlinks. very high quality. So they have 99 keywords. They're getting 42 people on their website each month. About 10% of those real leads and convert into sales. Here is a mirror proofing. This is just one extension. It's like a back page on their website. There's not a lot of information, but they do not need a lot of information because their main page has so much power. Um, so they have a high power rating, a low trust rating because this is just one service area page on their website. So the one backlink that they are getting is probably from their home page. Okay, then here is 435 Roofing. They do not have all of the information. Like they have a good amount of information. That this is what their information looks like. They have 144 keywords, low trust rating. They're only getting 43 people on their website each month. Um, they have low quality backlinks. The reason why they are ranked number one up here is because of their GMB and how that is all set up. Okay. I'm not so naive to believe that you don't already have a marketer. If you want to stay with them, at least take this video, show it to them to see if they can implement these things and rank you as best as they can. I know that this will work. Or if you want to reach out, we can schedule a short phone call and see if I can help scale your business. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching the video.